Trees are the wisest of creatures indeed, putting down roots where they fell as a seed, and never taking more than they need. Trees never wonder if they're where they belong, 'cause they're here right now, so it can't be wrong. Planted firmly, silent and strong, but they're still willing to bend if a strong wind comes along. I got a lot I could learn from them trees, like how to stand tall and dance in the breeze, and how to move on when the wind rips away my leaves and leaves me bare. Trees have seen all our silly little wars. They're watching us kill each other, pretending we know what for. They never pick a side, they just regrow and restore. No, trees don't care if they're wrong or they're right. They just keep doing what they need to survive. They stay rooted deep while reaching toward the light. No need to sharpen the axes, no need to start a new fight. I got a lot I can learn from them trees, like how to stand tall and dance in the breeze, and how to move on when the wind rips away my leaves and leaves me bare. Trees are the ones providing all of our homes. They give us the air that fills each of our lungs. We're replacing those trees with pavement and turning them into forms of payment.